All right, we're going over this again. Y'all better make an A on this quiz, or I'm going to get livid. I want to see nothing but A's. All right, check it out. So this one I got a little out of control on. I forgot to edit numbers down with my problem generator. So 2592. But you're all going to have calculators, so you actually, could do this without much problem. What was it, 2592? I hope I copied that number right. So just take 48 times 54. Multiply the numbers out front. That'll give you 2,592. Again, that's a calculator problem. All right, so that shouldn't be too much of an issue there. Look at your C's. 2 and 2, add them up, you get 4. I see an N here and an N here. 3 plus 2 is 5. I see x to the third there. All right, so there's your answer there. Let's look at a couple more. This one right here, there's only one number. There's not a number here. Think of it as a 1. And 3 times 1 gives you 3. Look at the A. You have 5 and 6. On the A, that's 11. Then you have a couple of kind of loners, I guess. You have the F with nothing to combine it with. Just copy that F to the first power. You have D to the second power. Just copy that as well. All right? The order there doesn't really matter. If you put them in a different order, that's fine, as long as they all have the right number. As long as the A has an 11, the F has a 1, the D has a 2. We do one more here and multiply the numbers out front. Negative 4 times 8, negative 32. Add the exponents. 5 plus 4 is 9. Look at the T's. 3 and 3 gives you 6. Add those up. All right, go ahead and finish those up. All right, down to the next section here. I'll do 2 of these. I'm going to go across. All right, I'm going to do this one first. Okay. Anything that doesn't have, we're missing a 1 there. Yeah, that looks good. All right, so check this out. So divide the number out front. 7 minus 1 is 7. And subtract the exponents. 2, look at the H. 2 minus 2 is 0, so let's just go away. And then look at the K. 5 minus 2 is 3. Minus sign. Divide the number out front. 3 divided by 1 is 3. And subtract the exponents. Look at the H first. 5 minus 2 is 3. 2 minus 2 is 0, so don't write that one. Let me do one that's actually with a number. I'm going to scooch to the side here a little bit. Beautiful. All right, so we're going to divide each of these by this here. Let's start with this. 15 divided by 5 is 3. Look at the F. 3 minus 1 is 2. And then look at the H. 7 minus 4 is 3. So divide the numbers out front, subtract the exponents. Copy that minus sign. 35 divided by 5 is 7. On the F, 1 minus 1 is 0. Don't write an F. On the H, 7 minus 4 is 3. Okay, anytime you get 0, don't write it. All right, last one here. Plus 50 divided by 5 is 10. Okay. On the first one here is D squared, but nothing matches, so just copy it. Nothing cancels any of it out, just copy it. On the F, 1 minus 1 is, well, those cancel out. And on the H, 4 minus 4, that's 0 as well, that's gone. So that's actually my final answer. It's kind of cool. All right, let me give you a couple minutes to work there. Okay, looking at the other side. Distribute, multiply the numbers out front, add the exponents. Like this. So 6 times 6 is 36. 2 plus 3 is 5. Minus 6 times 5 is 30. 2 plus 2 is 4. Finally, 6 times 2 is 12. 2 plus nothing is 2. Okay, so distribute those through. Those aren't as bad. Go ahead and try a few there. I'll give you a couple minutes to finish that up. All right, last section. Hopefully you're feeling pretty good about tomorrow. I know I am. Golly, vacation. So, 2a plus 6, 2a plus 3, make a grid. Okay, when you're multiplying, follow the rules we did above. Multiply the numbers up front, so 2 times 2 is 4. Add the exponents. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 times 6 is 12. 1 plus 0 is 1. 3 times 2 is 6. 0 plus 1 is 1. And that's going to be 18 in that last box. 3 times 6. Okay, so how these are generally set up is that these numbers in the middle will be the ones that add together. So 4a squared. And I copy that because there's no other a squared. That's the only a squared there, nothing else is like it. That's not a squared, that's not a squared, that's not a squared. And then look here, 6a and 12a, well that's 18a, and then plus 18 at the end. So these two are the two I combined. All right, y'all, go and finish that up. Hope you feel like being awesome. See ya.